Hello everyone, we have given here x cube plus x is equals to 350. We need to find the value of x here. So here x cube plus x is equals to 350. So we are writing here 352 LHS side. So it becomes x cube plus x cube plus x minus 350 is equals to 0 here. We wrote 352 to LHS side. So x cube plus x minus 350 is equals to 0 here. So here x cube plus x minus 350 is equals to 0 here. We can write minus 350 as minus 343 plus minus 7 is equals to minus 350 here. So x cube plus x minus 343 minus 7 is equals to 0 here. So we are rearranging this equation. X cube plus x minus 347 minus 7 is equals to 0. We are rearranging this equation now. So we can write this as so here we have written x cube minus 343 plus x minus 7 is equals to 0 here. So here the value for 343 is 7 cube here. 7 cube. So we are writing 7 cube in the place of 343 here. X cube minus 7 cube plus x minus 7 is equals to 0 here. So here x cube minus 7 cube plus x minus 7 is equals to 0 here. We have the formula a cube minus b cube is equals to a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula for a cube minus b cube here. A cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square here. So we can write x cube minus 7 cube as here. We can write according to this formula x cube minus 7 cube is x minus 7, where a is equals to x and b is equals to 7 here. X minus 7 into a square is x square here. X square plus ab is 7x. X into 7 is 7x here. Plus b square. 7 square is 49. 7 square. So here we wrote x cube minus 7 cube, this equation as x minus 7 into x square plus 7x plus 7 square here, and we are writing again this equation. X minus 7 is remaining here in this equation, so we are writing plus x minus 7 is equals to 0 here. X minus 7 is equals to 0. So friends, here we have this equation x minus 7 into x square plus 7x plus 7 square plus x minus 7. So here x minus 7 and x minus 7 is common, so we can common this x minus 7 here. So we are writing x minus 7 into x minus 7 into x square plus 7x plus 7 square, x square plus 7x plus 7 square plus 1 here, because we have common x minus 7 here, so this is equals to 0. So again we can write this as x minus 7 into x square plus 7x plus 7 sevens are 49 here, so 49 plus 1 is 50 plus 50 is equals to 0. So here x minus 7 is a factor, this is one factor, and we need to simplify this equation to find the other two solutions for x here. So x minus 7 is a factor, so here we have written x minus 7 is equals to 0, this is a factor, and x square plus 7x plus 50 is equals to 0, this is another factor. So we need to simplify this equation to get the values for the solutions for x. So here x minus 7 is equals to 0 here, so we can write x is equals to, when minus 7 goes RHSA it becomes plus 7, so therefore x is equals to 7 here. And we need to simplify this equation. This is in the form ax square plus bx plus c here, ax square so here x square plus 7x plus 50 is equals to 0, this equation we need to simplify this equation to get the other two solutions for x here. So this equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where we can consider a as 1, b is equals to 7, and c is equals to 50 here. So the formula for finding the roots of any quadratic equation given is x is equals to, we have this formula, x is equals to minus b plus of minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we use this equation to find the roots of any quadratic equation given for us. B square minus 4ac by 2a. So here we need to substitute the values. So here we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to 7 and c is equals to 50 here. We need to substitute all these three values in this equation to get the values of x, the solutions for x here. So let us substitute the values in this. So here x is equals to minus b is minus 7 here, plus of minus square root of b square is minus 7 whole square, minus 7 whole square here, minus 4 into a is here 1 and c is 50. So you can use the calculator to do the calculations. By 2a here, 2 into 1. So in the next step we can write x as x is equals to minus 7 so friends, we wrote here x is equals to minus 7 as minus 7 plus of minus square root of minus 7 whole square as 49 here, 49 minus 50 into 4 is 200, square root of 49 minus 200 by 2 here. So here we have written x is equals to minus 7 plus of minus 49 minus 200 is minus 151 here. 49 minus 200 is minus 151. Therefore x is equals to minus 7 plus of minus root of minus 151 by 2 here. So here we can write minus 151 as minus 1 into 151, right? 151. So here we have written minus 151 as minus 1 into 151 here. Therefore x is equals to minus 7 plus of minus square root of minus 1 into 151 by 2 here. So we are now splitting the root here. So we can write x is equals to minus 7 so we have splitted the root here. Minus 7 plus of minus, we are writing the root separately, minus 1 square root of minus 1 and square root of 151 by 2. So here we have written the root separately. We have splitted the root. We have wrote square root of minus 1 into 151 as square root of minus 1 into square root of 151 here. So the value for square root of minus 1 is I here. So we have the value for square root of minus 1 is iota. So here we have the value for root of minus 1 is I here. Root minus 1 is equals to I here. So we are substituting I in the place of root of minus 1 here. Therefore we can write x is equals to minus 7 plus of minus. We are substituting I in the place of root of minus 1 here. I into root 151 by 2. So here we wrote x is equals to minus 7 plus of minus root 151 into I by 2 here. We wrote I to this side. We rearranged this equation now. X equals to minus 7 plus of minus root 151 I by 2 here. So we have x in the beginning. The solution for x is equals to 7 here. So we have here three solutions for x, x1, x2 and x3 here. Let us write the three solutions here. x1 is equals to 7 and x2 is equals to minus 7 plus of minus plus root 151 I by 2 and x3 is equals to the another solution is x3 is equals to minus 7 minus root of 151 I by 2. So friends, here we have three solutions for x here. The final three solutions for x is x1 is equals to 7, x2 is equals to minus 7 plus root 151 I by 2 and x3 is equals to minus 7 minus root of 151 I by 2 here. We have here three solutions for x here, x1, x2 and x3 here. So x1 and x2 and x3 here. These are the three solutions for x. x1 is equals to 7, x1 is equals to 7, x2 is equals to minus 7 plus root of 151 I by 2 and x3 is equals to minus 7 minus root 151 by 151 into I by 2 here. So friends, here we have three solutions for x and thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe to my channel and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.